What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to add email accounts on your iPad. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPad. Once you're in Settings, scroll down on the left-hand side until you find the App section. Here, scroll down and look for the Mail app and tap on it. Inside the Mail settings, tap on Accounts. This will show you all the email accounts currently linked to the Mail app. To add a new one, tap on Add Account. You will now see a list of common email providers like iCloud, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo and Outlook. If your provider is listed here, tap on it. It will open a login screen where you can enter your email and password and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. If your email provider isn't listed, tap on Other and then tap Add Mail Account. From here, you will manually enter your name, email address, password and a short description of the account. After filling in the details, your iPad will attempt to automatically configure the incoming and outgoing mail server settings. If it can't, you need to enter that information manually. Usually your email provider will give you those details. Once the account is added, it will start syncing to the Mail app. You can now open the Mail app. Tap Edit in the top right corner of the mailboxes screen and rearrange the order of your accounts if you'd like. Just drag your newly added mailbox into the position that's most convenient for you. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.